Many of the guys watching this video like lollipop operating system. So today we are going to install lollipop operating system on your. So to install it, let's go to the computer. On your PC, you should download the file even in the description, and you must be ended up with these files. Don't consider it from eyeball, just look at these four files. If you extract them, it will be like this. Now just open SB Flash 2. Now inside it, you'll see so many things. Just keep them all and open the SB Flash tool run.exe. And at here, you can see this amazing agent loading file. Now what you're going to do is just select this carol loading file as CMTK8127 Android scanner. Sorry, let's go to the firmware. Just firmware LP. And just click on this MT8127 Android scanner. Just click on open. Now you must be looking at this. Just in this little thing, just click and just click firmware update, download only. And at here, what you're gonna do is click on download. Now connect your Lenovo tab2a720F. Here you can see this is my Lenovo tab2a720F. Wait a second. After you have your Lenovo tab2a720F in your hand, just turn off it. Now you can see it has turned off. Now let's connect to the USB right there. So it would be formatting and flashing my tab. So without wasting any further ado, let's just flash this tab. It has been fully turned off. Now just connect this thing to here. It's pretty hot. Yeah, it has been started to format, download and flash the zip file. Now you can see here it is downloading flash. And let me just speed up the process. Now it has been 50%, 51% on flashing. And after some time, it says like this, that is download okay. So let's click on that. Now let's click on this, guys, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's just disconnect the USB and turn the device on. Oh, there we go. The Lenovo for this video.